So let's do an example of looking at three functions and determining if they're even, odd, or neither even nor odd. We'll go one at a time. Just write down one at a time. F of x is x cubed plus 7x all over x squared. We'll do the first two together, and then I'll have you do the third one on your own. All right, again, silence means yes. So, step one, instead of the x's, we're going to put in negative x. Note the use of parentheses. Negative x quantity cubed means that you're cubing the negative 1 coefficient and you're cubing the x. How does that result? Yeah, the negative sticks around. What is positive 7 times negative x? Oh, I forgot my sum. It was over here. Oh my gosh. All over, what is negative x quantity squared? X squared. So now you ask yourself, did I get back the original function? No, so it's not even. Did I get negative 1 times the original function? Yes. Notice in the numerator, if we factored out a negative 1, we have negative 1 times the original function. So that makes f odd. Yes. One more time, please. Because remember, you have to square the negative and the x. Is that okay? Sure. Odd. Part B. Instead of all the x's, put in negative x. What is negative x quantity cubed? Negative x quantity squared? Careful. This negative is going to go away in here, so this is x squared right here, times negative 4 is, and the plus 2 just carries. Did we get back the original? Did we get negative 1 times the original? No, because not all the signs changed, namely this one and that one. So G is, neither even nor odd. I'm just going to write neither. All right, if you would, please do part C. Oh, I almost used that, don't you? Oh no, I forgot the X. Oh, kids, please put an X in here. Does it matter? Yeah, the X is in the numerator. Make that numerator 12X, please. This is why you don't watch TV when you're making PowerPoints. I was missing my stories. Okay, before we simplify it together, who votes even? Who votes odd? Who votes neither? One of those groups is correct. Now, the correct answer is odd. But let's talk about the correct reason why. Because I don't care about the answer, I care about the reasoning. What is 12 times negative x? What is the absolute value of negative x? The absolute value of x. Remember when I was standing right here and I said just because it's got a negative does not mean it's negative, especially when there's a variable involved. The absolute value of negative x, you don't know if x is positive nor negative.
So did you ask what the absolute value?
Negative x is. Correct. At most, all you can do is, since this is a product, you can rewrite it as the absolute value of negative 1 times the absolute value of x. What's the absolute value of negative 1? 1, so that doesn't matter. But absolute value of x does not break down because you don't know if x is positive nor negative. So it's got to stick around. If these bars weren't here and you said odd, it's not correct because you didn't get negative 1 times the original function because you lost your bars. So this is the reason why it's odd. So please be careful.